Your money disappears every month. You have no idea where it went. Budgeting feels confusing and stressful. Every plan feels too complicated, so you quit after 1 week. But it does not have to be this way. I will show you a simple budget system. It works for real people like you. No spreadsheets or math headaches. Let's build a budget that sticks. Budgeting is just one simple rule. Start with the money you receive, add up 1 month of income, split money into 3 buckets. First bucket is basic needs, second bucket is wants, third bucket is saving money. Needs get about half your money, wants get around 30%. Saving gets the rest. These numbers can bend slightly. Adjust based on your real life. Needs keep your life running. Rent and groceries go here. Utilities and phone bills count. No fun stuff here. Wants make life enjoyable. Coffee and eating out count. Streaming and games go here. This bucket is easiest to cut. Saving protects future you. Start with emergencies first. Cars always break eventually. Medical surprises happen. Saving stops panic later. Check your budget monthly. Track where money actually goes. Small leaks add up fast. Cut what you do not value. Keep what makes you happy. Automate saving if possible. Saving should happen first. Automation removes willpower. Less stress every month. This system works quietly. Let's see this in real life. Imagine earning $3,000 monthly. Split it into 3 buckets. $1,500 covers needs, $900 is for wants, $600 goes to savings. This feels realistic for most people. You stay in control. No guilt spending anymore. You know where money goes. Income buckets and tracking. Cover needs before fun. Save something every month. Adjust as life changes. Simple beats perfect. You can start today. Take control of your money. Subscribe for simple money lessons. Comment your biggest struggle. Like if this helped you. Next video drops soon.